Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to paint a Labradorite stone inspired artwork. So these are the pictures that I've used for my inspiration, and if you have seen these stones in real or in video, you can see that it has a nice shimmering effect, almost like under the stone you have something. So I've tried to mimic this by using silver leaf, and I've used some Mixion. This is the gold leaf glue that I've applied on my entire canvas, let it dry, and then I'm applying here my leaves. I'm going to put a link if you want to see what leaves I'm using. For all of the product, you will need to subscribe to my Patreon. I have a full course on this painting with no cuts, no acceleration at all. And yeah, so I'm going to continue apply my leaves. I'm going to clean everything and make sure that I'm not having any dust or things on my canvas. And these leaves are really shiny, and that's why I've used them on my work. And I'm going to use these so it will reflect under my paint, and I'm going to paint on it. So I'm going to first start off with the black details. You can see on the picture that we got some little black cracks and details, and we want to have some contrast between the flashy silver, and we want some parts that are not reflective. So that's why I'm using black here, and I'm going to cover everything after all with a blue glazing, so we have some transparency and a nice a nice transparency. This is all of my work. I like to really smudge my colors and use lots of water, but yeah, since it is on leaves, you really need to paint one coat at a time, because your paint will not really stick on this. You will need to varnish at some point, so you will not remove the paint on the leaves. But when the varnish is applied, your painting is really sealed and it will not move at all. But yeah, so here I tried to focus on the details, and I tried to add some dark blue, light blue, and try to play with the shades. This stone was really challenging to recreate, so yeah, in every of my painting I'm not really recreating. I tried to see what I got in my mind, and I tried to recreate an abstract piece, even though it really looks like the stone. I don't want it to really mimic the stone. I wanted to have a nice abstract artwork that you can hang in your on your walls, and yeah. So here I'm still trying to play with the blue, and you can also paint on top of the black, just so you will have a nice bluish black color and not just black. That's why I like to play with coats of colors. So now I like also to add some yellow ochre to my painting. It really complements the blue, and I really like this color. Here I'm just highlighting my painting with some white Posca, and I've also used the black Posca to create some lines and more details. You can really go fine with these liners, and I really like this. So here I'm just signing my piece before adding a second coat of paint. I will add a coat of varnish and then a glazing on top of with some blue. So here, to add a little bit more dimension into my black, I've decided to add some little white highlights in the really black areas, and it gives a more shiny effect without the shine. And then here comes the funny part. I've varnished my entire piece, sorry, and I'm going to glaze some blue on top of everything, just so I have a nice transparent blue, and it will make all of the piece really cohesive with all of the colors. Yeah, here you can see what I've done with the blue, and the blue is really transparent, so you can really see the silver underneath, and it will show, and it will make a beautiful 3D effect without the 3D effect. I don't know how to say that. I don't know if you will see on camera, but in real life it really is really nice. Here I'm just adding a few more details that I thought it was missing. So after that, I'm going to put a second coat of varnish and it will be ready. So here is the result, guys. Hope you've liked this video. I want also to thank all of my patrons here who helped me grow this channel and who really follow me along my art journey. If you want to leave a comment, it will be a pleasure, and I will try to respond to all of the comments. I wish you all a great day and see you for another video. Bye guys.